Hello friends, it's Nadine Medina with the Chill Moms blog, and today I want to talk to you about my favorite ways of using essential oils to deal with seasonal sniffles, seasonal annoyances. I know this is the time of year. Tomorrow is the 1st of April. So at the time of recording this, a lot of people are dealing with seasonal junk, right? And it can come out in all kinds of ways. It could be sneezing, it could be scratching your, like a scratchy throat, it could be itching, itchy eyes, or maybe even like I get like an itch behind like the roof of my mouth. It's like the weirdest thing. So I want to share with you a few things that you can use. If you're not an essential oil user, we can change that, no big deal. If you feeling after you hear this that like, oh my gosh, I need these recipes, I need these oils, I have all of that for you. If you become a member, if you grab your oils, you're going to get all the recipes and all the things. So never worry about that. I'm here for you and I'm here to help you. So for now though, let's dive in to the three. So there's 5 oils in front of me. 3 of them are like the most important ones when it comes to seasonal stuff. And those are lavender, lemon, and peppermint. I talk about these all the time, especially this time of year. I love them together as a blend in the diffuser. It just smells like spring, but that's probably because I've been using them every single spring since I started using oils about 7 years ago. So for 7 years in a row, I've been using these to deal with my seasonal stuff in the springtime. And what's amazing is that every year it gets a little bit less and it's a little bit less annoying. So there's definite truth to this. This stuff for sure works. Now I want to show you the 3 ways that you can use them. I think there's 4. Let's see. That you can use these oils to really help support your body in this time of year where being outside is amazing. We want to be back outside, but then there's also the side of that. Okay. So the first one, and that you can have with you all the time, which is so great because you can apply this at any moment, anywhere you are. That's the best way to do it, is this little roller bottle. I have this awesome label. I got to get a new one because it's falling off, from my friend who sells them. I'm going to put a link down here because they're amazing. But I've used this bottle like crazy. So this is those 3 oils inside, and you just fill it up with the carrier oil. I use avocado oil. It's my favorite one. I order an organic bottle of avocado oil unsubscribed, save from Amazon. So every couple months I get a new one because I make these roller bottles a lot. Oh, I can already smell it. It's so good. It's refreshing, but also can have a calming effect because of the lavender inside. So the way you use this is right here. I would put some here. Now, my shirt has a little lighter color today, so I want to be careful with the actual like avocado oil so I don't get it on my shirt, okay? Because that will stain your shirt. You can put it on your wrists and then just rub like this. You can put it on the back of your neck. If you're sneezing and you're like super annoyed because it's like red face and just, you can literally roll it right here. Can't really see that much. And just sniff. It's so good. Like I put it everywhere. You can put it on the temples. And then my favorite trick at the end, put it in your hands and give it a good sniff. Okay, so the recipe for this is 10 drops of each of those 3 oils that I told you. But again, if you're grabbing these oils, I'm your guide, I'm your person. You're going to get all these recipes. Never worry about that. My second favorite way of using these is either in your water, so you can straight up put 2 drops of each inside your water bottle, shake it around before you drink. So you want to make sure that every time you kind of give it a little shake because the oils tend to separate from the water, and then just drink it all day. It's so refreshing. It tastes really amazing. But if that's not your thing and you're like, ooh, not really quite sure about that taste, use yourself some vegetable capsules. They obviously don't come in this. I just put them in one of my empty ibuprofen containers. They look like this, and they're made from vegetable glycerin. You can open them up. Oh, my hands are kind of slippery now because I used all this oil. And then you put 2 drops of each inside the capsule, close it back up, take it like you would take a supplement with plenty of water, okay? And then you can actually feel that sensation in kind of like this area right here, and it feels amazing, it smells amazing, it tastes so great, and it definitely helps calm all the crazy stuff that you might have going on. It's also really great, just do one of those in the morning to just kind of, be supported for the rest of the day. You can take, I would probably say, up to 3 per day, but just put it in your water and have it with you all day long. Another really great option. And now for the third way right here, this is something that's actually new to me. So this was the 2 ways, right? So this was second way and this is third way. So I guess this is the 4th way technically. I am about to try this. So I have not tried this yet, but it sounds so amazing and I'm so excited to try this. So I'm making a spray that actually can be sprayed straight into the back of the mouth. So because I mentioned in the beginning that I get like this weird itch that's like way back in my throat during this time of year, and I can only imagine how much relief this is going to give me. So there's 2 extra oils that go inside of this mix, and that is a little bit of orange and a little bit of copaiba. And those 2, again, with the 3 OG oils for seasonal crap, you put those together. There's a recipe for it. Again, I'll provide you with the recipe as well. You add a splash of Young Living Thieves mouthwash to it as well, and then just add some water, and then you shake it every time you use it, and you can spray it straight into your mouth, and you can also spray that as often as you need it, which I think it's just so great because you do not have to rely on any medication. You don't have to rely on remembering that. Or potential either harmful effects of that medication or long-term effects that we just really don't know about. This is all natural stuff. You can use it as often as you need to. And, let's face it, sometimes it's so bad that you might have to do the rolling every half an hour. But who cares if it's working and if it's supporting you and if you do not have to rely on medication to control those things. You are cutting out toxins. You are supporting your body in a natural way. You are not just putting a Band-Aid over a symptom. You're actually supporting your body from the inside, and your body is then able to heal better and to really work together with these oils to get rid of whatever is going on in there. And that's what I was mentioning in the beginning. For me, over the course of these 7 years, the allergies have gotten less and less and less and less. And right now I'm not even dealing with anything yet. So hopefully it stays like that. But I know I have all my stuff ready for when it actually does come. So I hope this was helpful to you. Again, refer to the links below for everything. And also, again, if you want to grab these oils, I have actually made a bundle for all these 3 rollers. When you become a member, you will also get some roller bottles from me and vegetable capsules. I have some ready in a welcome pack to send straight to you. So you're going to be in good hands, and I can't wait to help you. This is one of those things for essential oils. A lot of them take time to really truly work, but this, you're going to feel an almost immediate result when you start using them. So I'm super excited for you if you're suffering from this kind of stuff right now. Just send me a DM and I will be very happy to help you and point you to the direction where you can grab the oils. If you're ready to go, if you do not need to ask me any questions, you are welcome to just hop into the link in my bio on Instagram or to the link below if you're watching this on my blog, and you can be ready to go. Just grab the spring bundle.